everyone, it's really good to see you here. So in today's video, we are going to see what's inside the course that GFG is offering related to data structures and algorithm. So this video is an overview of what are the different things you will get once you purchase that course. So let's get started. Okay, so I am here. So this is what they provide. They provide the course which has almost 1450 thing, and you have to complete all that if you wanted to be the pro, and also it would be helpful, right? So they firstly start with what, why and how. Like it just discuss about why to do DSA and how to do DSA and so on. After that, you have so many different videos on different topic related to data structures and algorithm. That is, first is analysis of algorithm. So you have 15 videos related to that, and once you complete that, you also later on find some problem and MCQs related to that particular concept, so that you get to know that you are actually understanding it or not. It also has mathematics. It has 12 videos. And similarly, bit magic, recursion, array, searching, sorting, matrix, hashing, string, so on. So all the different data structure which you already know and which you have to study, everything is here with some n numbers of videos on the same. And the CEO of GFG itself has made all of these videos. So he's teaching each and everything, so that's a very ground to earth thing. And if you wanted to learn something with the very basic classroom environment, I really suggest to get it now. So you can see that for trees you have 30 videos and you have 24 articles to get to know more about that particular data structures. Also, once you done watching these videos, you can solve the problems, or you can simultaneously solve the problems that is related to the topic you are studying currently. And after that, you can solve the MCQs to check whether you are actually understanding the concept or not. So you have so many different videos on each and every data structures and algorithm that is there. You can see that this is how the interface look like, and this is what they provide. And also they do have some different thing, like they include projects, so you can do the Sudoku solver thing, or you can do projects on shortest path finder and so on. You can also make tic-tac-toe and queen visualizer. So this is a DP problem, and you can also make projects on this. So this is what the total thing which GFG provides. So let's open one thing and show it to you. So you can see here, for tree, let's open this and see what's inside it. So here you can see there is the video, and then this is the tree data structures, application of tree, binary tree, and so on. So I'm not going to play that video. If you wanted to buy this, you can buy and then watch all of this, because the people doing that has actually done so many efforts to actually make the best platform for you to study about coding, to study about data structures and algorithms. So I really appreciate this. And you can see just what type of different thing which you have inside it. Just go through it. So yeah, this is an overview of what DSA course that GFG offer has in it. So it's up to you whether you wanted to buy it or not. As I said earlier, that if you want to have a classroom background teaching experience and not very technical thing involved in it, just understanding the concept, a teacher is teaching to you and you are understanding it. So just really go for it. It's a very easy to understand course which you can buy and get knowledge from it. So if your placement is here, I'll wish you all the very best. And lastly, let me know in the comment section whether you are going to buy this or not, and how was your experience using this particular platform. So this is it for this video. If you have any question or suggestion, please do let me know. Also, please do comment it out whether you are actually going to buy that course, and if you do, what are your experience related to the same. And this is it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.